trying to find out where the Rambo destinations are. A train track ramp. This is the part where Rambo first met the sheriff. Famous tree in the film Rambo. This feels quite surreal walking here. I can't see what I'm walking on at all.
Hi, good morning.
Hello. I'm driving.
Yes, you're driving. Yes, well done, darling. You're driving. Congratulations. We're on the road.
Yeah.
We're going from Kamloops, which we have been staying in for a few days, which is very nice. The weather's been a bit mixed.
You did a video place, we didn't, did we?
Didn't really do any of the place.
Oh, that's the best place we stayed in as well. Shocking. Absolutely shocking.
Oh dear. But it's very interesting around here. Like the landscape is like really interesting and it's different from obviously the Rockies area we were in before. Well, we're driving from here over to North Vancouver,
Yep.
which is the last place we're staying in Canada before we leave the place.
Before we leave the Northern Hemisphere.
Before we leave the Northern Hemisphere and head down to Fiji and then down onward to our New Zealand adventure.
But we're going to, where are we going now? We're going to Hope for a little visit, and we're going to go to where they filmed Rambo First Blood.
Hopefully we can go and see some tunnels as well. There's some tunnels there that are like hewn through the rock that you can go and walk through. That might be quite interesting to look at. So yeah, as usual, we will be filming what we find and take you along for the ride. We're over 1,000 metres.
1,250 metres. We've gone from 400 in Kamloops to 1,230, and it's now 1 degree Celsius or lower, and it's properly snowing, which was not expected.
I didn't think that we would be going up.
Before it was going through the valley to Hope. But look at the snow out there.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it.
Hello.
Chris is munching on a cookie.
Oh yeah. Can you hear that?
Yeah, high mountain road, expect sudden weather changes. You think? Could have pulled us back down there. So, yeah, hopefully this won't carry on for too long, but I don't know how long we stay up high.
A few moments later.
It's got a little bit more crazy. You've got slush on the left hand side there earlier. And we've got cars passing in their big trucks. Although it looks very, it is quiet. Just get the odd car. Just got to take it easy.
Yep. It's a very winter wonderland.
Just had 2 cookies. Terrible. Only gone for half an hour.
Go down again soon because it's really snowy.
Really snowy. It's kind of scary, this driving.
I'm just trying to be as careful as possible because I'm not used to driving in conditions like this.
Maybe we should go the other way.
Well, we're going this way now, so we have to get through this to the other side. Go down again and it will get much clearer.
what it's like for the whole fucking journey. And you can barely see where the road markings are. Look at that. Where are the road markings? Nobody's driving with care. I mean, you know, if you're in the UK, it would be like, go 50. Not go 120 kilometers an hour. Anyway. Joy. Stressed.
See you when we get to home.
This is where Rambo was filmed. Rambo First Blood. A little town called Hope. How's it cool, you know?
I've never seen this film, so this doesn't mean very much to me.
What's that?
I've not seen the film, so
You've not seen it?
not really. I mean, it doesn't really interest me. You know, it's not really my thing. It's not my cup of tea. Got another London fog.
Yeah, past it.
Got a whole bunch of spreads for Chris's breakfast. Chris has a latte. This is my BLT. Still waiting for Chris's. What kind of bread is that? This is Chris's massive breakfast.
Egg.
It was amazing.
Just trying to find out where the Rambo destinations are. Apparently down here is where Sylvester Stallone and the other guy, the bad guy, they met for the first time in Rambo. If you remember the scene, maybe you'll find the scene.
I'm gonna have to be looking up a whole load of clips now, aren't I? We did have some nice lunch though as well.
We just had some nice lunch, so you'll see that too.
Anyway, so walking down.
A little bit further down here, so you might as well stop it for a bit.
Okay.
I'm Rambo. Would
So
you like to be
this
Rambo?
Yeah, I'm sure we're very good.
This is the part where Rambo first met the sheriff.
You visiting somebody around here?
And that's where we went the first time we came here ourselves, 6 years ago.
Yes.
So apparently this is in the film as well. There was a train track ramp that he possibly jumped on. We'll have to just double check that because I don't remember it. We're going to have to watch the film when we get back. Take all the clips. Rachel, you have to watch Rambo.
No. I can just find the clips for it. I don't have to watch the film. It's fine. I have my ways.
Okay, the tree is down here. It's down here then down there. So this is the tree, famous tree in the film Rambo. It's changed slightly, but you know, it's a big chunky tree, isn't it?
It is.
Rambo would have been going this way. Maybe even that way, but I think they changed quite a lot around here. And then a police car would have come out here, but it may be the other way around. That looks like where it would have been. Not very far for him to go, is it? Like, get your motorcycle, zoom off, go straight into those bushes over there.
That's the magic of filmmaking, though,
Unless
isn't
he was
it?
going that way. Anyway, that's it. Where are we, Dean?
We're in Coquilla Canyon Provincial Park, and we're about to go down these trails, which is a very long trail, to
1 kilometre.
the Othello Tunnels,
Yes.
which we used a little bit in also the filming of Rambo First Blood. And a few other little filmy things as well.
Yeah, it's lovely in autumnal, isn't it? Tunnels are absolutely massive. I mean, you can imagine using this as a film set. Am I going to record all the way through and you're going to speed it up?
Probably.
This feels quite surreal walking here. I can't see what I'm walking on at all.
Neither can I.
And it's just, here's the one side we came from, and here's the side we're going to.
I just hang out the torch on just because I'm...
Do you want to see what's on the floor?
Water up ahead.
Yeah, then let's go to the right.
Right.
Yeah, go to the right. The water seems to be dripping quite a bit, so...
This is where Chris goes to the right, and then I fall in a puddle.
They lock these, or do they just have, like, leave them open to the wildlife? Come here in the mornings, open up, and there's like a family of bears camping away, eating porridge. You reckon it's the end?
Envy to me.
Okay. I'm gonna see if I can work it way on the map. This trail goes all the way back to Hope,
Okay, we don't need to do that then.
so we don't want to do that. It should be
So-
nice walk,
Yes.
but we've got to get to Vancouver.
So if you go to Hope, you could potentially walk from Hope to these tunnels, or from these tunnels to Hope. Definitely worth a stop off though, to see these tunnels. They're pretty cool. Hello here.
Oh, hello.
Do you want to zoom closer for Chris's ear? Rats.
Big field full of Halloween. Maybe they grow their faces on
I don't think they grow them with faces.
it. With candles to serve.
I don't think they do that.
Gleaming black as night. wasted in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same.
You take it to the straight away. Just got it.
Here we are. This little place. A big old bed. Is that the bathroom? That's a wardrobe. Big old kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah. There we go. Big old bathroom. We are quite tired and we've had a long drive. But we're here. Bye.
Bye bye.